Your brain is the most complex object in the known universe. And right now, if you're a teenager, yours is doing something it will never do again. It's rebuilding itself. Psychologists have spent decades studying the teenage brain. And what they found, most teenagers never learn. Here are 10 things they wish you knew. Your brain won't be finished until you're 25. Number 10. Your brain is not fully developed. The prefrontal cortex, the part responsible for planning, decision-making, and impulse control, doesn't finish maturing until age 25. That means for every "why did I do that?" moment, you're not broken. You're literally under construction. Your emotions are louder than an adult's. Number 9. You feel everything more intensely than adults do. Research from the National Institute of Mental Health shows that the teenage amygdala, your brain's emotional alarm, fires with significantly more intensity than an adult's. You're not being dramatic. Your brain is literally amplifying every signal. Joy is louder. Pain is louder. Everything is louder. Your brain is deleting connections right now. Number 8. Your brain is pruning itself. During adolescence, a process called synaptic pruning eliminates neural connections you don't use and strengthens the ones you do. This is the use it or lose it phase. Whatever you practice, music, math, anxiety, scrolling, your brain is hardwiring it permanently. Dopamine hits different in your brain. Number 7. Dopamine, the chemical of reward, spikes higher in a teenage brain than in any other age group. That's why a like on social media feels like a jackpot, and why losing a streak or being left on red feels like the end of the world. Your reward system isn't calibrated yet. The highs are too high, the lows are too low, and your brain doesn't know the difference between real achievement and cheap dopamine. And that leads to number 6, the one psychologists say is the most dangerous of all. Your phone is literally rewiring your brain. Number 6, every scroll reshapes your neural architecture. A 2020 study published in Nature found that excessive screen time during adolescence physically reduces gray matter density in the prefrontal cortex, the exact region you need most right now. Your phone isn't just a distraction, it's a construction crew, tearing down the part of your brain that builds your future self. Sleep isn't optional, it's brain maintenance. Number 5. When you sleep, your brain doesn't shut down. It goes to work. During deep sleep, the glymphatic system washes out toxic proteins. Your hippocampus replays the day's events, converting short-term memories into long-term knowledge. Psychologists say that a teenager who sleeps 6 hours instead of 8 isn't just tired. They're losing 25% of their brain's nightly maintenance cycle. Stress physically shrinks your memory center. Number 4. Chronic stress releases cortisol, and cortisol is toxic to the hippocampus, the brain region responsible for memory and learning. A teenager under constant stress isn't just unhappy. Their hippocampus is literally shrinking. That "I can't focus" feeling? It's not laziness, it's cortisol, eating away at the part of your brain that stores what you study. But here's where it gets hopeful, because your brain has a secret weapon that most teenagers never learn to use. Exercise is the most powerful brain drug that exists. Number 3. Exercise doesn't just build muscle, it builds brain. Physical activity triggers the release of BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor, a protein that grows new neurons and strengthens existing connections. Harvard psychiatrist John Ratey calls it Miracle-Gro for the brain. 30 minutes of movement does more for your prefrontal cortex than any study hack ever will. Music changes your brain's architecture. Number 2. Learning an instrument doesn't just make you a musician, it rewires your brain across multiple regions simultaneously. A study from the Journal of Neuroscience found that musical training during adolescence strengthens the corpus callosum, the bridge between your brain's two hemispheres, more than any other activity tested. Reading strengthens one area, sports strengthen another. Music strengthens them all at the same time. You are choosing who you become right now. Number 1. The most important thing psychologists wish you knew. Your brain is in its final major construction phase. And everything you do during this window, every habit, every thought pattern, every choice, is being wired in. Not temporarily, structurally. The teenager who reads becomes the adult who thinks deeply. The teenager who scrolls becomes the adult who can't focus. The teenager who faces discomfort becomes the adult who handles pressure. You are not finding yourself. You are building yourself. Neuron by neuron. Synapse by synapse. Decision by decision. And the construction crew? It's you. Same brain. Your blueprint. Choose wisely, because your brain is listening to every single thing you do. If this changed how you see your own brain, subscribe. Because every week, we decode the neuroscience that nobody teaches you in school.